Hey there, it's Dave from Blinds of Grimsby. Come here, I want to show you something. This client bought Norman Woodlore Plus shutters. These things are incredible. We have a gear tilt. This is a 4.5-inch louver for an excellent view. But the best part of all these shutters, they're motorized. Check this out. You've got your motor here. We have a solar panel to keep the battery or the motor charged. Let me show you how they work. This system comes with a really cute remote control. It's round, it's magnetic, attaches to the wall. You could put the remote control on a coffee table if you like. You sit it there. The best part is how easy it is to operate. Basically right now, I'm going to ask for some privacy. Make sure that I'm on the right channel. I'm going to tell it that we're home. And check out these louvers. Can you hear them? You can't because they're silent. Let's go upstairs. Okay, hey guys, we're upstairs now. What I wanted to show you was what I would call a problem window. These are high windows, or these are windows in, say, a stairwell like this one over here. The issue with them is, what do you do? Like, how do you get your privacy? And here we again put in a motorized Norman shutter. As you can see, the neighbor is literally right there, probably 10 or 15 feet away. But let's ask for some privacy here. So again, we'll just hit our button and you'll see that the louvers will close. Again, totally silent and fully private. All right, I just want to show you one other thing, if we can come through here. All right, so we're in this client's office, and what I wanted to show you again was how great they fit in pretty much any room. You can just literally close the louvers, and you're back to fully private again. So now we're going to go to the real showpiece, which is the master bedroom. Hey guys, we're up here in the master bedroom, and check it out. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, we put in shutters. These are all motorized. I did want to show you one feature on the remote, in that you don't have to just close or open the shutters. You can adjust them to different levels. So for instance, on the remote control, what we can do is just press this down arrow, and you see the shutters will go down just sort of one notch. If that's not enough privacy for you, we can just hit that down arrow again, and you see the shutters will move again as well. Now, one of the great features of this product is it's controllable through an app. So if you have an iPad or an iPhone, we can actually put an app on that device, and we actually have it right here. So if we wanted to move these louvers to that fully private position, we just choose the room we're in, we tell it we want best privacy, and they're going to close right to where we want them. An amazing product. We are the only dealer of Norman shutters in this area. Please feel free to give us a call for a free quote. My name again is Dave, and the number is 905-309-0909. It's Budget Blinds of Grimsby. Thanks for watching.